I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the denim and cutting tools. This determines fit and durability. Choose 12-14 Oz denim so the chrome hearts aesthetic holds weight. Once chosen, pre-wash to avoid later shrinkage. Mark a pattern from a well-fitting pair, adding 1/2 inch ease for comfort. Cut panels carefully, matching grain lines and selvage if present. You'll also prep leather patches and decorative elements now so assembly flows without stopping later. This saves alignment. You'll join the main panels next, beginning with the inseam and outseam. Use 5 to 4 mm stitch length and reinforce at the crotch and pocket corners because these take stress. Install the fly and waistband, making sure the top stitching lines are straight for that premium look. Mount pockets and test fit before adding leather patches and rivets. Once they're positioned, tack them lightly. You want the decorative applique aligned symmetrically. Pin, test. Then finish so everything sits crisp and intentional. You finish by refining the surface and securing hardware. Distress selectively using sandpaper and targeted bleach. Then neutralize and seal fibers with a fabric stabilizer so distressing doesn't fray uncontrollably. Add final top stitching, set rivets firmly, and press seams at about 160 degrees Celsius for a crisp professional finish. If threads skip or a seam loosens, restitch with heavy thread and a denim needle. Make small darts or take in the side seams to perfect fit. This is the step that elevates homemade to bespoke.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.